Okay, good morning, YouTube friends, and welcome back to Woodbury Cottage. Today, Grandma and grandbaby's got a fun craft for you. Stay tuned. Okay, we got this little craft going. These are the seashells from the Dollar Tree. And what we're planning on doing is taking that Mod Podge and some paper towels. That's 2-ply, so you have to pull it apart. Cut out what you want to go on there.
And then you put it on the seashell. Like that. And then you Mod Podge over it again. And over there I was just Mod Podging my heart's content. And then Grandma was doing some. We also put gold paint on them, which you'll see in a minute or two or something. That might have been a spoiler.
When you put that Mod Podge on the inside, see where I got that paintbrush going on the edge?
It sticks to it.
Yeah, and then you can just pinch it off.
Yeah, because it's really, like, it becomes wet.
Yeah.
So you can just go, Frank.
Or you can wait till it gets dry, take a fingernail file or a piece of sandpaper and sand it off.
And see, pulling it off is probably the easiest bet. And then my fingers got stop.
Yeah, it's sticky.
It's very sticky.
Yeah, look at your little fingers trying to. Okay. Let's do a few more.
Yeah.
Tell them what we're planning on doing with these seashells.
Selling them.
Yeah. Carter's going to be doing his first crafting sale event with his other grandpa up in Raleigh, North Carolina. So we are so excited about that. Here's your paint, Carter.
You paint. So we're just painting the trim and making it look better. Some of them we thought, oh, it would look better with gold paint all the way, and you'll see we did that.
So we tried 2 different kinds of paint. That tube over there is the Rub and Buff, and that tall bottle, that's like a mustard color paint from the Dollar Tree. But that liquid leaf gold paint in the jar over there turned out to be the best.
Yeah.
We liked it the best. See, that's that mustard color. It didn't turn out at all.
I mean, it's kind of the same, but it can turn out.
That bottle of gold leaf paint, liquid leaf, we got it at the Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby.
How many did we make? 22?
Probably.
We were trying to get a couple of dozen. I think we made 22. Some of the shells were broken.
We did more than 7.
I think it's 22 we got. We're going to build a cute little display and put angels in them. Put angels inside the shell. So he'll be selling a decoupage shell and an angel. Now, I think right here's where we decided to do the whole shell, wasn't it?
Yeah, you thought it looked good if you did that. And it did, actually. One was pink, so I put gold. I put gold paint on it on the trim.
Gold and pink is very popular. A lot of people like gold.
It looked nice.
How long do you think we worked on that project? About 30 minutes.
Yeah, it wasn't that long. I would say half an hour.
It didn't take long. I think I like to do it again. Make some with different colors.
Yeah, it was fun. And also maybe
Different kind of shells.
No, I was gonna say napkins.
Yeah, different kind of napkins.
And maybe different.
I wonder, can we do this with oyster shells?
That's what. Oh yeah, those were clamshells, not oysters.
Yeah.
We should try that.
Okay,
I mean, you got a bunch.
We got oyster shells. Let's try some. Okay.
Yeah, let's try that. Maybe a future video.
Yeah. Okay.
And this is where we decided to take the hermit crab ones and paint it all gold.
And guess what we're going to display on those?
What?
Finger rings. The rings slide right over.
Oh, yeah, they would.
We got several rings you can have to sell at your craft sale.
Yeah, we could. Paint. Paint. My fingers got golden. Golden fingers.
And that paint did have a smell too, didn't it, Carter?
Oh, it smelled.
Yeah.
It tasted horrible.
It
smelled horrible. Don't worry, I didn't need it.
We're used to using the chalk style paints that don't have any smell.
I mean, they do have a smell.
Yes, but not like that. Whew, that paint right there is kind of strong.
I even use like oil paints and acrylic paints, and they don't smell. They don't smell like anything that I know of. They smell fine. They don't smell the best thing like chocolate, but they smell good.
Look at your little hands.
My hands are golden. Very golden. I had to wash them afterwards.
Okay, we're just about to the end of our video. We appreciate y'all watching. We sure had a good time with this video, didn't we, Carter?
Yeah.
I can't wait for us to try those oyster shells.
Yeah. Future video, maybe.
Yeah. Hey, what about some pine cones?
I don't know if the thing would stick to that. The napkins.
No, I'm talking about we're going to paint the pine cones with that gold paint.
Or we can spray paint them.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool too.
Hey, Daddy, roll to the B-roll.